Yo, yo,
Yo, what is the word? What is the word? It's your boy Kha.Reality. I'm back with another one. I hope y'all been enjoying the latest content. I hope y'all been enjoying it. You know, we got some new information. And K Flock, his trial is about to start next week. His trial starts next week, and this is it. What the government just put out, what everybody sees now, is the last bit of information that you will get from the government. This government comes for the last bit of discovery and something called 3500 material, which K Flock will see who is telling on them. Yeah. We won't get that on camera, right? We won't get that on paper like how we got this work. Yeah, we won't get that like how we got this. You know what I mean? We won't get that like how we got all this that's coming out. We won't get that like we got this and like we got these stuff that's coming out. But this is the work, it was reported, New York City TV, salutes to them and all that. It was reported, K Flock trial starts next Monday, March 10th. U.S. government shows a list of some of the evidence they plan to use, include music videos, phone records, unemployment bank wire fraud, the purchase of Amiri's used in the murder. Why is that big? Why is that big? Because y'all don't remember. I tried to tell y'all before, bro. When K Flock's Codees, when it's Codees, yeah. So like they got stuff like this, like when you look at this right here, this work right here is basically coming from social media. So it's like the same things that got him lit is the same things that's gonna make him cry when it comes to the trial. You know what I mean? When his co-defendants sat there and copped out on him, they admitted to crimes that they did, but it's also crimes that he did with them. Yeah. It's stuff that he's accused of doing too, and they said yes, that they're guilty of doing it, and it's gonna be used in this trial. I told y'all this weeks ago on my last K Flock video. It got like 13K views. I want y'all to check that out when y'all get a chance. This is like probably a part 2 to the video, but you can look at this. Look at this says right here. It says the government respectfully submits letter in response to the court's order February 19th, 2025, in advance of oral argument, finding a pretrial status conference to describe additional rap video shows it wishes to admit into evidence. So they want to put these videos into evidence. The same videos that got hundreds of million views or whatever. You know what I mean? The court noted that the government has submitted 3 representative music videos. One is Brotherly Love. The other is Who Really Bugging and FTO. The reason why those is important because they're saying, and then another one, they got an exhibit on the second paragraph. It says Ready for War with Baby. Is going to expect a witness testimony that Baby was a leader of the OY. So whoever the witness is going to sit there and say, yes, was the leader of OY. They did have beef. They did do this. They do that. So that's why that is important. It's going to say, and then it goes into the Baby because of the body, the Oscar Hernandez, rest in peace, of him being unalived. We don't even got to talk about Oscar Hernandez because people want to say, oh, you're going to beat that with the self-defense. Hopefully he does. But the other things is why it's going to be hard for him. And this is what I'm trying to say. Look, the defendant claims in his testimony that he did not possess firearms and he's a peace-loving person who did not glorify violence or gunfire. By him saying he's a peace-loving person, the gunfire and violence he don't advocate for, that's not really true because they're going to look at and show these videos. They're going to show these videos. They're going to produce the same stuff with him and his friends. You know what I mean? These are the videos. The same thing you could type in on YouTube is what's being used against you. You know what I mean? And it's like, look, they got all the cell tower evidence. They got all types of other evidence. Look, you see this? Zay Munna, Millie Watt, Kate Flock. You know what I mean? Zay Munna copped out. You know what I mean? Look, certifications from St. Barnabas Hospital authenticated medical records of the rival 800 YG's member who was shot in the face. And then Who Really Bugging? When K Flock said, holding his chin like a dolphin. They're going to use all of this. This is what they're going to use. I need y'all to know. Certification from Bronx Community College whose surveillance system Casper's video from the defense and his associate's vehicle on their way to RPT. So they got them on camera allegedly going to RPT. But it's not alleged for his friends because his friends copped out. Yes, his friends copped out to this. And I try to tell y'all already. If y'all don't remember, I made a video and I try to tell y'all.
And these things will be brought up in the trial. You know what I mean? This is the type of stuff that will get you convicted. And this is indirectly letting them know that you was there. It does not matter what people say. Oh, I kept it real. I kept it real. See, this is why the mafia, they don't cop out. When the mafia comes, they go straight to trial, guys. They don't deal with the copping out, because when you cop out, you're putting another guy under the bus. The guys that go to trial, you're throwing him under the bus. Look at this docket that K Flock tried to get. It said defendant seeks an order severing counts 6 to 11 of the indictment, which he is not named. Those counts charge defendants, co-defendants, with crimes ranging from violent crime in aid of racketeering to firearm offenses, to possession of a firearm with a defaced serial number, and possession of a firearm after a felony conviction. Those defendants have already resolved their cases. However, it will not be proceeding to trial with the defendant. They're not going to trial. Their cases are resolved and will not be proceeding to trial with the defendant. Accordingly, which is the law, the motion is moot. The jury will be provided a copy of the indictment, redacted to exclude any reference to count 6 to 11. The jury will be provided these guys copping out, that these guys went in front of the judge and said, yes, Your Honor, I am a part of this South Side gang. I am a part of this Third Side gang. I am a part of this. Blame the guys are literally right before K Flock's trial throwing him under the bus.
And this is what I was trying to tell y'all. This is what I was trying to tell y'all weeks ago. People saying, oh, you don't know about this. You want to call them rats? I wasn't calling them a rats. What I was saying is, by them copping out on him, this is why certain people be like, oh, you cop out, you a rat, you do this. Because it's indirectly throwing him under the bus. He's not going to look good for trial when people saying that, yes, we did go do this in River Park Towers this day, and then he's at trial for this. This is going to be a quick trial. I'm sorry. I keep it real. I'm sorry. This is going to be a very quick trial, and it's going to be a very quick deliberation. The trial might not be that quick because they got to do witnesses. They got to do everything. But the deliberations is going to be mad fast. It's probably be 2 hours deliberation. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. If I was a betting man, I'm not even going to put that in the universe. But no, like, I just want y'all to know certain factors. This material, this is the last material that's coming out, and the government feels like this is all they need. Yeah, the government feels like this is all they need. They got witnesses, they got whatever, and once they got that, man, it's over. You know what I mean? It's over, man. His best bet was to probably, if he wanted to come home, was to probably try to cooperate or something like that. But like, y'all gonna judge me. It ain't about me. Don't make the content about me. It's reality. He's not. This is bro. This is slim to none, bro. You know the 98% chance convicting rate. Yeah, this is where this comes in about. This, I'm not talking about dudes copping out. I'm talking about trial. This is very hard. Like, they know, like, he knows, bro. He knows, bro. And it's so messed up because our young brothers, they don't know. You know what I mean? Just stay out of it, man. Don't put yourself in a situation where you got to put yourself in any type of situation. It don't matter what it is. Don't put yourself in no situation, no matter what it is. Don't get into the, don't get involved. Don't get involved with guys. Don't feel like you got to crash out for guys. Don't do none of that, bro. Because ultimately, it's going to end up in this. Because they could grab you at any time. You know, rest in peace to all factors, you know, people that lost their life and all that. But I just wanted to show y'all again, you know what I mean, what this material is. This is the last bit of material that the government is using involving K Flock. You know what I mean? This is it. You know what I mean? I had to go there and I had to show people and comment, let them know like I was dropping the show on this. So, you know, yeah, this is going to be something that's very big, especially something right here. This is going to be a main factor in this trial. This video where son got shot in his face, and then you're going to have other people talking about it, coming up there talking about it, and then he's talking about it. They're basically confirming it, and then his friends copped out to this. Don't forget, remember, his friends copped out to this. So salute y'all. Make sure y'all hit the like button, share button, subscribe button. Y'all know when I give y'all the source, I'm giving y'all stuff from firsthand knowledge. I know how it go. You know what I mean? A lot of these people, they don't know what it is. They just read the documents and they act like they know what they're talking about because they've been to the state or something like that. I know what this is like the back of my hand. That's why I can speak it out so fluently. Salute, y'all. It's your boy Kha.Reality.
To Frankie, and what influence did that have on your father?
A transit authority cop stops him. He pulls out the gun and kills the cop.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Did Gravano tell you how he became a rat?
You would never call him that to his face.